You won't believe how many artists upload music without knowing where it actually goes. Octiive promises global distribution, but the surprising truth is that it works best for independent musicians who understand digital platforms. Octiive is a music distribution service that helps artists upload their songs to major streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. Instead of contacting each platform individually, you upload once, and Octiive handles the rest. The setup process is simple. You create an account, upload your audio files, add cover art, and enter song details. After submission, Octiive sends your music for review before distribution. This usually takes a few days. One strong feature is royalty tracking. You can see where your streams come from and how much you earn. This helps artists understand their audience and growth over time. Octiive also offers optional services like playlist pitching, marketing tools, and YouTube content management. These can help boost visibility, especially for new artists. However, most people get this wrong by expecting instant fame. Distribution alone does not create listeners. You still need promotion, social media, and fan engagement. Another downside is pricing. Some plans require monthly fees, which may not be ideal for artists with low streaming numbers. Free distributors exist, but they often take a percentage of royalties. Also, Octiive is best for digital-only releases. Physical distribution and advanced label services are limited. In conclusion, Octiive is a solid choice for independent musicians who want simple, global digital distribution. It's not a shortcut to success, but it gives you the tools to grow professionally. Subscribe for more music platform reviews so you can build your career the smart way. Title start Smart Draw tutorial for beginners. How to use Smart Draw review title BND script start Most people think creating diagrams and flowcharts requires complex design skills. But here's the surprising truth about Smart Draw. You can build professional visuals in minutes even if you've never used a design tool before. Smart Draw is an online diagramming and visualization tool used for flowcharts, mind maps, organizational charts, floor plans, and more. It's popular in business, education, and engineering because it focuses on speed and automation. When you first log in, Smart Draw asks what type of diagram you want to create. You'll see options like flowchart, network diagram, project timeline, or organizational chart. This is where beginners save time because you don't start with a blank page. You start with a structured template. Once you select a template, Smart Draw automatically builds the layout for you. All you do is click on shapes and type your content. The tool instantly resizes and rearranges everything so your diagram stays clean and balanced. This is one of its biggest strengths. You don't need to align or format anything manually. Adding new elements is simple. You can drag shapes from the side panel or just press Enter to create new branches in a flowchart. Smart Draw adjusts spacing automatically. Most people get this wrong by overthinking the design, but Smart Draw does most of the work for you. Another useful feature is the built-in symbol library. If you're creating technical diagrams, you can use standard symbols for electrical systems, software architecture, or business processes. This makes your diagrams look professional and easy to understand. Smart Draw also integrates with tools like Google Drive, Microsoft Office, and cloud storage. This means you can export your diagrams as PDF, Word, or image files. You can also share them directly with teammates for collaboration. The downside is pricing. Smart Draw is not fully free. You can try it, but long-term use requires a paid plan. For casual users, this may feel expensive compared to simpler tools. However, for professionals, the automation saves hours of work. In conclusion, Smart Draw is one of the easiest tools for beginners who want clean, professional diagrams without learning design skills. It's fast, intuitive, and powerful for both personal and business use. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly software tutorials so you can work smarter, not harder.